Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm here at my E-Trade account. Now, you guys are saying, oh, this guy's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's doing. Well, yes and no, okay? Let's take a look at where we're at. So what I did is I had some Cleveland Cliffs that I bought, okay, a while ago. My cost basis here is $8.28. Well, that's a pretty good deal, okay? So I sold a covered call on it for $21.50, and I figured if I get called on it, not a big deal. So I sold that for $1.04, and I sold a cash cover put for $1.07. So basically, that's $2, right? Okay. So I sold the put at $21. The stock closed just now, just a few minutes ago, at $19.82. Now, I'm not real smart, but I can do simple math. 21 minus 2 is 19. So if I include both of the options, the upside and the downside, the call and the put, I can basically reduce my cost basis of this newly acquired stock that they're going to give me for $21 a piece to $19 a piece. So that's a win in my book. Okay, some people might not think so, but I do. That's how I count it. That's how it's going down, baby. Okay? Like it or not. $19 is my cost basis. It'll be averaged out. Okay, 21, and it'll average out with the 828. So it won't be as low. I won't look like a superstar, rock star anymore. Okay? It would have been better if I had 1,000 shares, but that didn't happen. We're going to be okay. Because next month we're going to do the exact same thing again. We're going to sell a call, we're going to sell a put, and we're going to make cash. We're going to make cash on cash, baby. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel, join up, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll walk through the process with you on E-Trade, on TradeStation, on Tasty Trade, on different platforms, different options, different strategies. Hook up. It's well worth the $5 a month or whatever it is. So be sure you guys join at some level and get my real-time stock trades. That's the key. All right.